Hello and welcome, my amazing followers. Today I've got an easy and delicious recipe for all the dessert lovers out there. Chocolate crepes. These crepes are light, soft and packed with that rich chocolate flavour we all love. But before we dive into the recipe, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our tasty creations. Now let's get started with this recipe. First, let's prepare the batter. Grab a bowl and crack 1 egg into it. Add a bit of sugar, a dash of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together well until it's smooth and combined. Next, we're going to gradually add milk, stirring continuously so all the ingredients blend perfectly. Now, we'll start adding the flour little by little. The amount of flour will depend on how thick you want your batter to be, but just keep mixing until the batter is smooth with no lumps. Once your batter is ready, it's time to cook the crepes. Heat a pan over low heat and pour a small amount of batter into the pan. Let the crepe cook on one side until it's golden, then flip it to the other side and cook it through. Keep repeating this process until you've used up all your batter. Once all your crepes are ready, stack them neatly on a serving plate. Now for the fun part, drizzle some melted chocolate or your favourite type of chocolate over the top. Trust me, it'll look absolutely irresistible and taste even better. A quick tip for keeping your crepes looking perfect: cook them on low heat and make sure to spread the batter evenly in the pan. If you follow these steps, your crepes will come out perfectly cooked and shaped every time. Finally, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. You've got to try it soon and I guarantee you'll love it as much as I do. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll always be the first to know when new recipes are up. Thanks so much for your constant support and I'll see you in the next video.